Hi everyone, I am Dhanush PN of HS3D section studying in Arvind International School, Kunigal. I thank my science teacher Chetan Appur sir to giving me opportunity to make this video to understand magnetic effects of electric current. I am going to summarize the chapter of magnetic effects of a electric current and let's go. What is magnetic field? A magnetic field is a region surrounding a magnet in which a force of the magnet can be experienced is called magnetic field. And what is magnetic field lines? And lines along with the iron filings align themselves are called magnetic field lines. And what are the properties of the magnetic field lines of force? A magnetic field lines of the force line originate from north pole and at its south pole. A magnetic field line is closed and continuous curve. The magnetic field lines are closer near the poles of the magnet where the magnetic field is strong and further apart where the magnetic field is weak. The magnetic field lines never intersect each other. The other uniform magnetic field is represented by the parallel equidistant field lines. Why are the magnetic field lines closed curves? The direction of the field lines is from its south pole to its north pole, so the magnetic field lines are closed curves. How does the degree of the closeness of the field lines represent? The degree of the closeness of the field lines gives a measure of the strength of the magnetic field. Then, what are the sources of magnetic field? The magnetic field due to the bar magnet, magnetic field due to the current carrying conductor, magnetic field due to the current carrying circular loop. How does the magnitude of the magnetic field produced by straight current carrying conductor vary? The magnitude of the magnetic field produced at a given point is it is directly proportional to the current passing through the wire, inversely proportional to the distance of that point from the wire. And let's we know about the right hand thumb rule that states that imagine that you are holding a current carrying straight conductor in your right hand such that the thumb points towards the direction of current. Then the fingers that wrap around the conductor in the direction of the field lines of the magnetic field. Factors on which magnetic field produced by a current carrying circular coil vary. The magnetic field produced at the center of the circular coil carrying current depends on. It is inversely proportional to the radius of the coil. It is directly proportional to the number of turns of the coil. It is directly proportional to the strength of the current passing through the coil. What is solenoid? A coil of many circular turns of the insulated copper wire wrapped close in the shape of a cylinder is called solenoid. Produced by a current carrying solenoid depend number of turns of a solenoid. The larger the number of turns in the solenoid, stronger is the magnetic field produced. Strength of the current. Larger the current passed through the solenoid, stronger is the magnetic field produced. Nature of the core material. By winding the coil over a soft iron cylinder, the magnetic field can be increased several times. Use of solenoid. A solenoid can be used to produce the uniform magnetic field in a given region. What is electromagnet? An electromagnet is a device in which soft iron core placed inside a solenoid behaves as a powerful magnet when a current is passed through the solenoid. Let's we know about the Fleming left hand rule. Stretch the thumb, forefinger and middle finger of your left hand such that they are mutually perpendicular. If the first finger points in the direction of the magnetic field and the second finger in the direction of current, then the thumb will be point in the direction of motion or the force acting on the conductor. Electric motor. An electric motor is a rotating device which converts the electric energy into mechanical energy. The principles of the electric motor are an electric motor works on the principle that a current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field experiences a force. Construction of DC motor. and DC motor consisted of insulated copper coil of many tons wound over a soft iron core. In the figure, ABCD represented the insulated coil. The coil is placed between the pole pieces of a concave cylindrical magnet. The two carbon brushes touch the rings. The brushes are connected to the battery. Now let us know about the parts of electric motor and their function. First one is a field magnet. A field magnet it is a strong horseshoe type of magnet with a concave holes. And second one is a armature. It is a rectangular coil having a large number of turns of thin insulated copper wire wound over a soft iron core. And third one is split ring commutator. It is a cylindrical metal ring split into the two halves. And the fourth one is a brushes. It is made of graphite. It maintains a sliding contact with a split ring. Factors which increase the speed of rotation of coil in a motor. The speed of rotation of an armature coil can be increased by increasing the strength of the magnetic field, the number of turns in the coil, the current of the coil. Electromagnetic induction, the phenomenon by which the electric current is generated by changing the magnetic field lines, is called electromagnetic induction. Cause of electromagnetic induction: relative motion between the magnet and the coil is responsible for the generation of electric current in the coil. Galvanometer and its use. Galvanometer is a device used to measure the electric current flowing through a conductor. Stretch the thumb, forefinger and middle finger of the right hand so that they are perpendicular to each other. If the forefinger indicates the direction of the magnetic field and the thumb shows the direction of the motion of the conductor, then the middle finger will show the direction of the induced current. Electric generator or dynamo. A generator is a device used to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. Principle of electric generator. Electric generator works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. Construction of AC generator. An AC generator consisted of a insulated copper coil of many tons wound over a soft iron core. The free ends of the copper wire are connected to two rings R1 and R2 of the copper. Two carbon brushes touch the rings. The brushes are connected to the battery. Working of AC generator. When the coil is made to rotate in clockwise direction, the magnetic field linked with the coil changes. This induces an electric current in the coil. During the first half of the rotation, the current flows along ABCD R1, B1, B2. Alternating current. If the current changes its direction after equal intervals of time, is called alternating current. Frequency of alternating current. The frequency of an alternating current is the number of times the direction of electric current changes in 1 second. In India, the frequency of AC is 50 Hz. Direct current. A current in which the magnitude and the direction do not change with time is called direct current. Source of direct current. Some sources of direct current are cell, DC generator, etc. DC generator. A generator which produces unidirectional current is called DC generator. Domestic electric circuits. It is a diagram of domestic electric circuits. The wire which is a 220V potential is called live wire. Neutral wire. The wire which is at 0V potential is called neutral wire. Earth wire. The wire which is connected to a plate deep in the earth near the house is called earth wire. Earthing. The earth wire which has insulation of green color is usually connected to a metal plate deep in the earth near the house. What is the function of an earth wire? Why is it necessary to the earth? The metallic appliance. Earthing of an electrical appliance means the connecting of metallic body of the high-powered appliance to the earth through the earth wire of the domestic circuit. This prevents any electric shock to the user. That is why earthing of the electrical appliances is necessary. Why are the appliances connect parallel to each other? In order that each appliance has equal potential difference, they are connected parallel to each other. Electric fuse. Electric fuse consists of a piece of wire made of a metal or an alloy of appropriate melting point. For example, aluminum, copper, iron, lead, etc. Principle of electric fuse. Joule heating that takes place in the fuse melts it to break the electric circuit. If a current larger than the specified value flows through the circuit, the temperature of the fuse wire increases. This melts the fuse wire and breaks the circuit. Overloading. It occurs when the insulation of wires is damaged or there is a fault in the appliances. Short circuiting. Short circuiting occurs when the live wire and the neutral wire come in direct contact. Precautions to be taken to avoid the overloading of domestic electric circuits. Too many appliances should not be connected to a single socket. Too many appliances should not be used at the same time. Faulty appliances should not be connected in the circuit. Fuse should be connected in the circuit. Thank you for watching this video.